Hi, this is Deborah Clutter. Where's my long arm Tuesday? Well, unfortunately, I have a lot going on in my house right now. I have new floors being put down, and so the main level is a total disaster. And I'll show you a little clip of what that looks like. There's complete dust all over my house, on my computer. It's everywhere, but hopefully that'll get done soon. But then after we do that, we're going to be doing my sewing room. So I'm not sure if I'll have a long arm Tuesday for the month of June, but I thought I'd at least have a short video and talk to you guys and kind of show you some stuff I've been working on. I have a lot of works in progress, WIPs. How many of you have WIPs out there? I know for me, if I have more than a few, I start feeling overwhelmed. So right now, I got quite a bit of them. I have this antique quilt that I bought in Paducah that is missing some of the hexagons, and I did draw them out, and I was going to have them printed on spoon flower, and I have the order in, and I just haven't paid for it, haven't sent it off, haven't done anything, because I have to hand stitch those to fix it. And then I have a bunch of other projects that I have started, the blocks from my last couple of videos, and I'll show you what those look like in a second. And so I actually have them organized. All I need to do is start sewing them together. The pink ones, the pink striped ones, I still have to cut fabric, and I think I'm going to put black blocks with those, and I don't know, maybe a pink border, or who knows, something. But I think for the next Long Arm Tuesday, I'm going to be working on my log cabin star quilt that I just finished. I finished the top on that. I wanted to make sure I got some of the tops finished before I start this other big project I got to do for the guild. And so I wouldn't feel like I was a little too overwhelmed with all the other stuff that was going on. So I got most of that stuff kind of situated. I have a couple of miscellaneous projects I cut before I went on vacation, and I was going to do a video for you guys, and I filmed the cutting, and that was about as far as I got. And now I'm thinking I probably need to redo the whole thing. I don't know. The quilts are already cut. I just need to piece them together. They're pretty simple, and I think they'll be patterns that are easy to follow and you can make for yourself. I have my grandson's, I got to replace a zipper in his pajamas still. I took half the zipper out and I still haven't got it done. And then I still have my Judy Niedmeyer quilt. I didn't realize I only have, I think, 9 paper piece blocks I still need to do, but they have something like 26 pieces in each one. So I wanted to show you this yarn I just bought, and I want to use this as couching on my big dream panel, the king size one that I wanted to long arm for you guys, but it's going to take a lot of effort and a lot of time, and it's a little bit hard to film anything with my husband pounding on the floors upstairs, so I have to wait until we get the floors done, and then I'll do that. But I'll have to test it out. Maybe I'll make a short video if it works, and see if it's going to be something I want to do, because normally I'll go around the edges of those petals 2 or 3 times, maybe with some like heavyweight thread. Like I have some 12 weight thread that I got from Dime that works pretty good, or I might use some metallic thread and go over it several times. But I'm hoping I can just put this down once and I'll be done. So we'll see. I might use this, and I was thinking also maybe some sheer glittery tool or something over some of the petals or the center or something. I just want to do something a little bit different. something that not everybody else has done. So we'll see how it goes if I ever get to that point. So I don't know if I ever showed you these, but I made these little boxes for my old sewing machine. You know how you're sewing, I don't know if everybody knows, but if you have a featherweight, let me see if I have the original box in here. If you have a featherweight or one of these old singers, they usually come in these boxes, right? And this one's pretty beat up, obviously. So I did 3D print these little boxes, and they have been pretty popular on my 3D printing site. So I put all my 3D printed stuff up on Maker World, and I have them for free for people that want to print them. And so these have been pretty popular. People have printed quite a lot of these, and the featherweight stuff that I have, and I was pretty happy about that. So I make a little bit of money off of that for posting my models up there. I get more filament so I can make more projects. I haven't even been able to do that because I have been so busy with what's going on in the house and designing this project for the guild and doing some other guild stuff I need to do, and just haven't got to all the stuff I want to do. So this is how my day goes. I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. My dog wakes up, my husband wakes up, we all get up at 4. I know it's really early, but we've worked like that all of our life. And so we get up and I work on the computer until 8, 9, sometimes 10 o'clock, doing patterns, doing some kind of graphic art stuff, you know, for the patterns, all kinds of stuff. Or maybe I'm designing something for my 3D printer, or it can be whatever I'm working on the computer. So I usually do that first thing in the morning. And then I go and I sew the rest of the day, or clean the house, or go to the grocery store, or whatever else I have to do. And then about 4 o'clock, I'm done, you know, which it's past 4 now. My dog's looking at me and she's like, "Are we ready to go to bed yet?" So, and you know, by 8 o'clock I'm asleep, and then we start the whole process over again. So yeah, I get up extremely early and try to get all my stuff done. And I like working early in the morning when it's quiet and it's nice outside. I'll go walk out on my deck and look at nature, and I just like it. So I'm not a night owl anymore. That was way back in my 20s. So anyway, I just kind of want to let you guys know what was happening, and hopefully I can get another Longarm Tuesday in for you. If I do the star quilt, which is a star log cabin, I'll have to sit down and figure out how much it actually cost me to make that quilt, because everything I used in it was fabric I already had. So I'll have to just write down all the measurements and try to figure out how much it would cost if I had to go buy it new. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.